Here is question 17a. Press pause and have a go. Once you're ready, press play for the answer. And here is the answer. (275.400) and then a method mark for 9.95 or 53.1. With this question, if you know how to use your calculator, you'll be able to display that number. If you are not comfortable with your calculator, I'm going to show you how you do this one step at a time. So I'm going to put 43.2 and plus, I'm going to do the square root of 99.05. That gives me 9.9523866648. All of that divided by 0.193. Now I'm going to keep the answer. I'm not going to do anything here. So I'm just going to add 43.2 plus 43.2 gives me 53.15. So I'm going to write this down. Equals 53.15238665 divided by 0.193. And now I'm going to do divide by 0.193. That gives me 275.4009 671. Okay.